the consistency of following relation. First, t equal to 2 pi under root L by G. This is famous relation for time period of oscillation, where t is time period, 2 pi is a constant, dimensionless constant, L length of thread, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Second one, V equal to V0 plus AT, a famous relation named as kinematic first equation, V equal to U plus AT, or another way it is written as V equal to V0 plus AT. Third one is the torsional oscillation time period relation, T equal to 2 pi under root I by K. T is the time period, 2 pi again dimensionless constant, I is the moment of inertia, and K is the twist, torque per unit twist or torque per unit radian twist. Now we have to write dimensional formula for left hand side and right hand side. LHS और RHS के लिए हम डायमेंशनल फार्मूला राइट करेंगे. अगर ये डायमेंशनल फार्मूला इक्वल है, सेम है LHS और RHS का, तो ये गिवन रिलेशन करेक्ट होगा, अदरवाइज इट विल बी रॉन्ग. LHS T is the time period equal diameter T, equation 1. RHS 2 pi under L by G. Here 2 pi is a dimensionless constant, means 2 pi has no dimension. And now L length of thread, L upon G acceleration due to gravity, means it will have dimension of acceleration L t minus 2. L cancel out. Now it will be 1 by t minus 2 पावर 1 by 2, यहाँ स्क्वायर रूट है और 1 by 2 हो जाएगा, 1 upon t पावर minus 2 पावर 1 by 2. Now it will be equal to t square power 1 by 2 equal to t. Equation 2. From 1 and 2 it is clear that LHS equal to RHS, and therefore given relation is dimensionally correct. Second relation, V equal to V0 plus AT. V is the final velocity, V0 is the initial velocity, and A is the acceleration, T is the time. This is the famous relation. First kinematic equation, V equation to V equal to V0 plus AT. इस तरह के जो भी इक्वेशंस होते हैं उसमें हम ये चेक करते हैं कि LHS और RHS में जितने भी टर्म्स हैं, चाहे वो V0 हो, चाहे वो AT हो, ऐसे चाहे और भी टर्म्स हो, जितने भी टर्म RHS या LHS में ऐड किए गए होंगे, उन सभी टर्म्स के सेपरेटली जो डायमेंशनल फार्मूलाज होंगे दैट शुड बी इक्वल. इफ they are equal, it means given relation is dimensionally correct. If not, it means it is dimensionally wrong. Here for LHS, V is the velocity, final velocity. V equal to velocity means L V minus 1. Now RHS V0 plus AT. V0 is the initial velocity. Initial velocity also has dimension of velocity, and therefore it will be Lt minus 1. Now A into T. A into T. A stands for acceleration and T for time. Dimension of acceleration is Lt minus 2 and dimension of time is T. Now RHS becomes equal to Lt minus 2 plus Lt minus 1 plus Lt minus 1 at T power minus 2 and T power 1. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर्स ऐड होती हैं, -2 + 1, ये -1 हो जाएगा, Lt minus 1. Here V0 plus AT has separately Lt minus 1 plus Lt minus 1. That is from LHS and from RHS. The dimension, it is clear that dimensions of each term is equal. Therefore, given relation is dimensionally correct. That is V equal to V0 plus AT is dimensionally correct. Here the third equation, T equal to 2 pi under root I by K. We have to justify its consistency again. For this, the dimension of LHS, T is the time. For time, dimension formula is capital T. Equation 1. Now RHS, 2 pi under root I by K. 2 pi is a dimensionless constant, means it has no dimension. Now we have to write dimension of I, moment of inertia. It has dimension ml square upon K. K is the torque per unit twist or torque per angle. Now torque m L square T minus 2 by an angle that is radian has no dimension. Now m cancel out, L square cancel out, power 1 by 2 यहाँ होगा, m cancel out, L square cancel out, T 1 by T minus 2, T इस minus 2 को न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा T स्क्वायर और ये इक्वेशन कुछ बन जाएगा T स्क्वायर पावर 1 by 2 and it will be equal to T. Equation 2. From 1 and 2, again it is clear that from equation 1 and 2, again it is clear that LHS equal to RHS and hence given relation is dimensionally correct. Thank you.